Nothing comforts my soul like a steaming bowl of Dal Palak. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vandevi Hing. For the Dal Palak, I've got Chane ki dal, Moong dal, Masoor dal and Toor ki dal into my cooker. With this, I'm adding in turmeric, some salt and 4 cups of water. This needs to be pressure cooked for up to 5 whistles. We need to prepare a masala for the dal. In my pan, I'm heating some oil. To this, I'm going to add some jeera, Vandevi Hing, garlic and onions. We will cook this until the onions are transparent. Onions have changed color. To this, I'm going to add in haldi, red chilli powder, Dhana Jeera powder and Garam Masala. I will stir this for about a minute until aromatic. Next goes in my tomatoes, and this will be cooked until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Next, we put in the palak and allow this to cook for a few minutes until the palak is cooked and wilted. Our spinach mix is cooked. Now I'm going to add in our cooked dals to this. I'm adding in about a cup of water and allowing this to simmer for a few minutes. I'm going to now prepare the tempering for our Dal Palak. I'm heating my pan. In that, I'm going to add in some ghee. Once my ghee is hot, I'm going to add in some jeera, a pinch of Vandevi Hing, dry red chillies, Kasuri Methi and last some red chilli powder. This tempering is going to be poured onto the dal. My Dal Palak is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed with roti, paratha, rice, however you like it.